If you're experiencing water heater problems in Concord, I'm Mike, and I've been solving hot water emergencies for over 20 years. When you need water heater repair in Concord, California, you've found the right guys. I'm Mike, owner of Concord Water Heater Service and a licensed master plumber. Since 2017, my family-owned business has assisted over 10,000 Concord families with water heater repairs, replacements, and installations. Whether you're dealing with a leaking water heater, no hot water, or strange noises, water heater problems never happen at a convenient time. That's why I offer emergency water heater repair 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I specialize in all types of water heater service. Electric water heaters, gas water heaters, and tankless water heaters. I handle them all. As your local water heater plumber, I focus exclusively on hot water heater repair, which means faster diagnosis and better results. My fully equipped service vans allow me to complete most water heater repairs in a single visit. And if you need water heater replacement or water heater installation, I stock all sizes and types to restore your hot water the same day. What sets me apart from other plumbers? You deal directly with me throughout your entire project. No middlemen, just straight talk and expert service. I hold a master plumber license with 4 master endorsements, plus ASSE professional certification. I'm not just a plumber for water heater repair. I'm your neighbor, committed to solving your hot water problems the right way, the first time. Every job comes with same-day service and industry-leading warranties. I guarantee to beat anybody's price by 10%, plus I offer free estimates, 0% APR financing, and I'm available for emergency water heater repair whenever you need me. When you search for water heater repair near me or hot water heater repair near me, you want someone local who understands Concord homes. I've been serving this community since 2017, and I'm proud to be the trusted choice for water heater repair in Concord. Don't let water heater problems disrupt your day. For expert water heater service in Concord, California, call me at 925-338-9333. I answer my phone 24/7 because when you need hot water heater repair, you need it now. Remember, I'm Mike from Concord Water Heater Service, your local water heater repair expert. Call today for same-day service. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.